2 weeks ago, we went live to YouTube, and you guys threw in all kinds of super chats, and we got a couple $100, and I promised you guys I would take the crew out because I can't drink a couple $100 worth of beer. So today we're at Las Vegas Golf Center. We're at the driving range. We're gonna take the entire crew out, drinks, fun, food, the whole works. Let's get to it. We have a $200 budget. Thank you to all of the fine peoples of the fabrication series that subscribe and all the rest of the stuff. So we're gonna smack balls and drink.
Better not stretch, dude. It's just all the more reason to touch it.
Hey, I'm still the ping pong champ of the show.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Ping pong, yes.
No.
Yes.
No, because that second game, we definitely had some
That was
good
all
rallies.
practice and stuff. We never had an official second game.
Okay.
Because you didn't know. You had to learn the rules.
Okay.
I'm still technically the official champ, and the thing that is, I love being technically right.
You know what, I might, depending on where the budget's at, I might put some money in on this one for who can either hit the van or who's gonna get the longest drive.
It's going to become a lot
Okay,
harder.
who's the first one to fall off the ledge after you miss a swing?
Oh.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, "Phew."
He gone. How's it going?
That's what I was asking if you want to stay up on top of it.
You can tell that helped, Brandon. I think you should keep that.
Oh yeah, Cody.
There we go.
Look at you. You got warmed up.
How you doing, Brandon?
Hey, does it count if it hits the ground and rolls up and down?
No, straight on, clean hit. Hey, you gotta have the distinct coat, which that thing makes. I know it does to the hit. So, I might. I just want to give everybody else a chance.
Oh, I'm down. I'm down.
You have to repress the emotion to
I helped.
I was chasing you in the phone. I'm trying to force myself not to be a hog.
Jeremy, you better be having a whole lot of practice over there. Everyone's gonna be ambidextrous today.
Explain something you said.
Johnny?
If he almost hit and we're opponents, that means he missed.
I like your thinking though.
No, he didn't almost hit it. He missed. Let's hear you say. No, he missed. He didn't almost make it. He missed. I mean, that's exactly what I heard. You like ball?
Getting close. Wow.
Oh yeah! Oh! That was good, y'all. They say that you're supposed to weld lefty and righty. So we're just keeping in practice for everything.
It's gonna be terrible.
You look super awkward.
Weird.
That's a practice swing. Practice swing. Okay. I'm still gonna lap you hit the van. You hit the van with that? $40. $40. You hit the van lefty. That's like an hour of your pay.
Oh no, she was walking out the door right. He's an anti-light man. I'm talking actively against you. I want to win this competition. I want all of you to fail.
Wait.
Oh! Yeah, lefty! Lefty! Ah!
It was edited that way.
That was not. That was live. That was right there. It went clink. Lefty. Everybody give me $40. Oh, that was legit. You saw it, you heard it. Don't even say it. I got all the witnesses.
I think you have everyone in your pocket.
We can rewind the footage. I bet it even went clink. No airplane, no nothing.
We have an editor.
We're gonna have it enhanced.
Sound effects.
Enhanced volume.
Photoshop. Whatever video Photoshop is. Listen, I'm gonna come up with every excuse possible here.
I'm sure you.
Yeah.
But you and I know the truth.
I wanted that so bad.
Well, I got a lefty. So
Yeah, it was
you
just
get
a
a
lefty
right.
and a lefty. The right hand.
That means.
No!
Oh!
All right.
We gotta hit that man.
We gonna hit it.
Your shift ends in 20 minutes.
We got this.
Actually, no, it already ended, but
We got
we're going extended round.
I'm gonna hit this one.
Shoulder injury from playing in the PGA Tour.
Here's that.
You want one of my secret balls?
Yeah. Are you out?
I dare you to hit it. I dare you to hit his secret ball. All three of them.
Who got it?
No, no good.
Yeah. Welcome to the club.
Yeah. No, you gotta hit it. You gotta be like this guy. Come on, I believe in you because you're the lefty and I hit it that way. A lot of people don't know, but I absolutely love 80s ballads. Like Hungry Eyes. Yeah. I got 2 older sisters and I grew up with 3 women in the house. Even the dog was female, right? There was a lot of Dirty Dancing and a lot of those sappy 80s movies that were going on. I love that music. I'm not gonna lie. I usually listen to metal, but 80s ballads, come on, I'm in. Totally in.
How I got this? I hit my ankle on accident.
Dude, how do you hit your ankle with a
That's
golf
what
club?
I said.
It's just like,
I think I was just like swinging it around like this. And
I was playing.
that out.
Wait, where's it at? Where?
You can't touch it. You can't touch it. Over here.
I've literally got like $60 here on balls, $80 on balls. And then we're waiting on the bar tab, and we got lucky. It was half price on the bar tab. It's happy hour.
Would have gone a lot harder.
You should have gone a lot harder. See, I don't really tell everybody this, right? How do we do? 194. That was how much money we got on the super chat. Was like 194. All right, so we're a little bit over, and I saved $40 because I hit the van and none of you guys else did.
Hey.
We win.
House always wins.
Vegas. You went through the window? Well, if it doesn't make the sound.
I had
that's
2
not
with
it.
sound. It just bounced.
Yeah.
It just bounced. That's all.
Guys, let's gather in real quick. Wanted to say a huge thank you to, obviously, the fans. Thank you for supporting this really awesome event. But today was Gil's last day. You are officially no longer on the clock. You are not an employee anymore. I need to hear a big ass, oh yeah, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah! Give me a dead ass on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dead ass! Give me a hell no on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hell no! Gil, good luck to you, man. You're such an awesome guy to work with, man. Seriously, I wish you the best. I
Thank you
really
for the
do.
opportunity. I appreciate it so much.
I know these guys are they're gonna be jumping up and down, being like, "No more Gil!" But you know what? I'm gonna be missing.
I miss you guys. I miss you guys too.
All right.
Hope you guys feel the same about me, bro.
Yeah, no.
Don't
No.
don't text.
It was
No,
badass,
Facebook,
man. It was-
Instagram, Snap.
Yes.
Not a call. Not
Don't
a...
ever call again. Lose my number. Ghosty. I ghosted.
Block you. Okay, deal, bro.
Block you.
I guess shit.
You're on my do not disturb list.
I don't accept carrier pigeon anymore, so.
Wait, it's not. What are you gonna do on Tuesday?
Oh,
Well, we have replacements.
Taco Tuesdays now.
Replacements.
Everybody good to go?
Yep.
You didn't have to too many waters or cokes or have to pee before you go.
Got one water, so
Oh, geez.
you'll be okay. Kept the socks in.
Well, you guys enjoy your weekend. We'll see the rest of you on Monday.
See you Monday. I'll drop your thing off.
We'll see you around.
Nice meeting you. Peace out. You guys have a good one. Bye.
Be safe. Don't be a stranger.
Thank you. I'm on. You guys as well. Hope you guys have the best of you guys' days. Stay safe. Stay
Stay
strapped.
strapped.
We have you
Go.
to stay strapped.
See you later, man.
Sorry, guys.
All right.